Okay,
Okay, hey
go.
guys, this is Countman from Trade for Freedom. Okay, welcome back. We'll do 10 to 15-minute review on a couple of stocks that we have identified for today. So before that, this is our website, okay, tradeforfreedom.co. Go to the website, you can join our Discord for free, okay? And if you're happy with what you like, we offer a lot of value, a lot of information there, trade setups, strategies, and so on and so forth. And if you're happy, you can upgrade to the VIP, where we will have one-on-one Zoom sessions with you. If you have any questions, any stock reviews, strategy discussions, or even to create a strategy for you itself, we can do it for you. So the first stock we're going to talk today is SOFI. Okay, let's talk about SOFI. So SOFI, we've taken a lot of cash secure puts. Okay, so first and foremost, the main strategy that we utilize like 90-95% of the time in Trade for Freedom is the wheel strategy. So essentially, we get cash secure puts for the stocks that we think or we deem that it's of value, it's undervalued, that we can pick up, and it's got potential in the long run as well. So SOFI is one of them. So SOFI is one of them. So we got SOFI we had so many contracts on SOFI. They pay quite well, anywhere between 6 to 10%. And currently SOFI is pushing up. So guys, if you want to take SOFI, if you haven't taken SOFI yet, a good place to take SOFI is when if the price comes down to the bottom of the channel, this is the area you want to take at 16. So you can do a cash secure puts at $16. We are at the bottom of the price. This is a really discounted stock right now. Okay, we are in a demand area here, the whole section, and we are at a discounted section. So 16 is a good price. It's cheap technically. So look out for that for SOFI. We're going to touch a lot on drones today. Okay, so the first one we're going to touch is ONDS. We have a lot of ONDS on cash secure puts, and we unfortunately for us, we can't take any more, but we've made quite a lot for the last a month plus since February. Yeah, since beginning of March actually. So it's like almost 2 months plus we've been making a lot on this. For every single touch of all the trend lines, especially the bottom part of trend line, we took all the cash secure puts. And the minute this push came, and there's a cup and handle over here, and it broke out of the handle, as you can see. It broke out of the handle. And what happens next is a strong push up. So these drones are also backed. This ONDS is also backed by the White House, and also a couple of other drone stocks. So the next one we will have a look is AVAV. Okay, Aero Environment. So it's the same thing. I think all the drone stocks pushed up today. So let's check this stock and see if it's strong. Okay, it's actually a very bullish stock. Okay, it's got very good a wave pattern. So it's like 1, 2, ABC, AB, 1, 2, ABC, 3, and it's also on a discount. So this whole entire area right here, it's at a discount. This is the very, very strong demand zone. Okay, so price made lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So basically it's like this. Okay, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And it looks like market is exhausting right now to the bottom side. So we are expecting the move to start pushing up. So today, true enough, this week, market pushed up. So let's see what happens next. There's a high chance that market will retrace a bit and it'll start pushing back up and test all-time high. Okay, so that's AVAV right now. Next one we'll look at is KTOS. So these are all drone stocks. Okay, so KTOS, let me see. Okay, it started very strong. Okay, then obviously it's they overvalued, overexpanded, and dropped, and now it's slowly climbing back up. So from this point here, it's 1, 2, ABC, 1, 2, ABC, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one, the correction, it's a bit, it's the end of wave 5. Okay, so it's correcting in, the stock is correcting now. Not as strong as ONDS. Okay, not as strong as ONDS. But we are still expecting the price to go up and test the high, which is about 134. If that doesn't happen, then the other scenario would be price will make an ABC correction before it starts heading back up. So it's okay, it's an okay stock, but I would prefer ONDS, and ONDS is much cheaper. So I would pay attention to ONDS. AVEX is another stock that we can look at for drones. Okay, this is a fairly new stock. Okay, started trading at about $30, went up to 42 and it came back down. Okay, let me see if there's anything happening that I can. Okay, there's not much data because this stock is still new. However, it seems to be trending up. Okay, this one we got to look at the fundamentals. Fundamentals, they're strong, they're backed by the White House, but we have to look at the financials. But there's not much to look at because they're still fairly new. But what I can say, it's currently making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And it's got a very, very strong support at this area here. So a good price to get on this stock, if this stock were to pull back, price were to pull back around 29 to about 31 would be a good price to get in, and we expect the price to go back up from where the price falls from. All right, that will be AVEX. Let's check on UMAC. UMAC is another a drone company. Let me have a look at UMAC. Okay, UMAC is a bullish stock. Okay, all right, it's a bullish stock. It's in the channel, by the way. Okay, it is going up in the channel. Now it's overshot the channel, so it's a bit on the high side. It's a bit difficult to take this stock right now. If anybody wants to pick up this stock, we have to wait for the correction, or I would wait for the correction. And then as it were to test the top part of the channel, and also there is a resistance over here, then we would expect the price. If it rejects here with a confirmation of the candlestick, we expect the price to go up from here. Okay, so that will be UMAC. And then let's have a look at RCAT. RCAT Holdings. Okay. Okay, RCAT Holdings is bullish. Let me see. Okay, so currently it's again in a channel. Okay. So this one trades from, it makes higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, but it's not strong in the sense that it's breaking out or it overshoots. It's within a very stable range. So currently we're in the middle of the full range. So if you want to trade this stock, or if you want to pick up on this stock, you would want to get the stock at the bottom of the trend line. Okay, this is the area where you would want to buy the stock. With a confirmation, like example, you have this hammer, or this candlestick hammer here. And then if you want to get in here, then perfect price to get in. But in the middle right now, it's not where I would get in on RCAT. Okay, but you can have a look at that. Last one on drone will be DPRO. Okay, let me see. So it started strong again, overvalued, expanded too fast. It started dropping. Okay, not really a strong stock. It's very cheap. Okay, but we really have to look at the financials on this. Let me go down the time frame. Okay, currently we are expecting this price to go up, okay, at least until 1440. Why I say that is because on the edit wave, we have wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3, and this is a very deep correction of wave 4, and we're expecting a wave 5. So the wave 3, we have an ABC of wave 3, okay? This is the important one. And so the ABC of wave 3 will then become the demand zone. So currently it's breaking out. It came down to demand zone. If it goes below B, it violates the harmonic valid wave. So it did not go below. So we're expecting the price to start to shoot up and go and test 1440. Plus there's a trend line here, which it just broke, okay? The trend line it just broke. So it indicates that for now, dragonfly, it's going to push up, and the target price will be 1440 to the very least. All right. So today we took a couple of trades. Okay, so we're going to start with the wheel strategy, which is our core strategy, the bread and butter of our trade for freedom. We took Tesla, TSLL. Okay. We took many of these because as long as it's within the bottom of the channel, these are all the entry points that we will take the cash secure puts, okay? So, and also within this big channel, there's a smaller channel. So when price came in here today, we took another cash secure puts at about 16, I think. So we get a better premium. The higher the price on the cash secure put, the more premiums you get. So we took that. Join our Discord if you want to know the exact price and the premiums that you get paid in place.
We'll continue with TSLL.
Okay. Can you see my face there?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, guys, we are looking at TSLL. All right. So TSLL is one stock that we are gunning for in the next couple of days or even weeks, hopefully. So we got contracts at the bottom and the price hit. So we want to take TSLL when it comes to the bottom part of the channel. So if it comes to the bottom part of the channel, we can take a cash secure puts around this area. Came back here, we took another one down here. And then as it comes up today, there's another trend channel within a bigger channel. So at the smaller channel, when the price came here and it rejected with a dodgy or a hammer, we took another cash secure puts around 16. So if you want to know the exact price, the dates, and the premiums that we get paid, join our Discord channel. You can go to our website, tradeforfreedom.co. There's a link. So click on that link and you join our Discord for free. Anything that you want to know, any stock review, market review, analysis, any discussions, please feel free to ask us any questions you would want to. Okay, so next we will look at SOFI. SOFI, we've been looking at this stock for a long time. Very good stock to pick up in the long run. And finally, we have opportunities to run the wheel strategy on. So now SOFI just made a solid push today. We have many contracts so far in our portfolio. So for guys who don't have SOFI in your portfolio, you have, hopefully if the price were to drop at the bottom of this trend line, and then you can start picking up on SOFI by entering into a cash secure put contract in which you get premium to wait to purchase the stock. Okay, so this is SOFI. We're going to look at SOFI in the next couple of days, weeks. Hopefully we have many opportunities to from. Then also IREN we had, and it's a bit on the higher side. You can take one today.
Hold on, man. Hold on. And I have some. I think the connection is bad. You kind of dropping. I don't understand why it's got disconnected.
Profits have already been realized. Is it okay? Can I continue?
Hold on. No. Hold on. I think SOFI, we're gonna need to do SOFI again. And we can do IREN and
Oh,
fuck. I understand why it's got disconnected. It's working fine on my phone. Maybe I need to, I don't know, reset my computer. Okay, let's try again. You hear me?
I lost you, man.
Okay. You hear me now?
Ken, you want me to
Yeah.
do this today or you want me to continue tomorrow? Do you think your internet can hold up? Because I'm continuously losing you. I can do it in the morning if you want.
No.
You can try again.
Let's continue with SOFI. Let's see if we can
Okay.
get it through SOFI. Yeah.
Okay. Next stock we're looking at is SOFI. SOFI is a really good stock to pick up in the long run because technically it's at a discounted price. As you can see, all-time high would be about 32.80 around there. So currently we are at a major demand area, which is around here. Okay. And fortunately for us, finally it's given us a chance to do the cash secure, the wheel strategy. So we have a lot of contracts on SOFI. Today, majority of our profits have been realized because of the big push up. So for next entry would be, we're expecting a move down towards the bottom part of the channel. And then if it comes down and it has a rejection on the candle, we're definitely going to get in on a couple more contracts on SOFI. So that is a stock that you guys should watch out for next couple of days or even weeks. Also, IREN. Okay, IREN is a stock that it's a stock of the month for us. We made a lot of money on IREN and multiple opportunities to do the cash secure puts. Even today, it's rejecting the inner part of the smaller part of the channel. You can get IREN a cash secure puts at about 62, even 63 if you're a bit more aggressive. We have many contracts and a lot have been realized. But for us, we would prefer, since we already have a lot of contracts of IREN, we would prefer if IREN were to drop down to the bottom of the channel, we would definitely be getting a lot more contracts on the cash secure puts on IREN. All right, that's for IREN. On scalping, if you join our YouTube live today, we had two scalp signals. One of which that we took, okay, we took aggressively. So this was our entry price. Okay, we entered here and we got out of the trade over here. So in total today, this call option that we took was a naked call option. It's not a cash secure put. So we enter a call option here, 1 day DTE, and we got out here and we made 90% on this trade, 90%. Okay, we could easily make more, but I think 90% is good enough for an hour's worth of trades. Compared to the wheel strategy, the naked call option on the scalping requires more active management on the trade. So obviously, stress, risk, and tension will be higher because it's an active trade strategy versus wheel strategy, which is the bread and butter of the trade for freedom. That one is more of a passive strategy and it's much easier and you don't really have to manage it at all. So it depends. I personally like to do both. I prefer scalps because it gives me the thrill and quick in and out. It gives you healthy profits if you do it right. RV prefers the wheel strategy because he sleeps every night like a baby, while while the stock is while money is working for him, man. He's making while he's sleeping. So it depends, okay? And also we have ORCL. ORCL was a very nice setup. This entry price was here on this candle on 10-minute chart. Price pushed up. Easily you could have made more than 60-70% on this trade. I didn't manage to take it because I was already focusing on IONQ. If I wasn't in on IONQ, I would definitely take this trade. It's a no-brainer. It's money on the table for us to pick up. So price went up easily 2.2% on the day, just in about 20 minutes. So basically this trade, you can get in and you can get out within 20 minutes. And you probably make like 60-70% easy. So that's ORCL. Another stock that I would like to look at is Amazon. Okay, so Amazon currently has been pushing, man. It's been pushing hard. It's a very, very strong stock. Okay, very, very stable and strong. So it's pushing and it's pushing. And currently it's correcting. Okay, it's in a correction mode. So guys, if it's in a channel against a channel, so normally for us, it's a very good time to do the wheel strategy. However, it's a bit expensive. Pick up the stock, or if you want to scalp an entry over here. So if price were to come down to the bottom of the channel, there's some sort of support here. We're expecting the price to reject. If there's a confirmation of the candlestick, it rejects, minimum test the high of this, and most likely it will test the top part of the channel. Okay, so I've reviewed a lot of stocks today. Also, free in Discord, upgrade to VIP if you want to know more, how to one-on-one Zoom, private lessons and whatever. So guys, there's so much value in this. We are new, that's why we are still doing all this for free. But in time to come, I'm sure our subscribers will grow, users will increase. So at that point of time, we will not be able to offer like what we are able to do now, because then time is a bit more limited on our ends, okay? So now we have a bit more time because we manage less users, but once we get really busy, and we will only manage as much as we can. So for now, while we have little users and we are new to the market, please join, share, like the YouTube video, subscribe. Just join us. We are everywhere. We are on X, we are on YouTube, we are on Facebook, we are on TradingView, and we have a website, we're on Discord. So don't miss out, and catch you guys tomorrow. Ciao.
All right.
Is that
Good
okay?
stuff. Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna cut some stuff because
So long.
it's maybe my internet was, but I think in general, yeah.
No problem, man. Okay, good trading day today. Good trading.
Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff, man. I
Yeah,
think
the
we're
part.
done. You can. Will be nice if you post your stuff on Discord. You can do it after we finish with the Zoom.
Yeah,
You have something to add, or we done?
I think we're done, man. It's been a long night, long
Okay.
trading day. I've been sweating just now when the trade wasn't going my way, man. I tell you, seriously, I was shitting in my pants, man.
Don't worry.
Yeah, finally one went my way in the way that I
Yeah, I'm so
kind
happy.
of like
I'm,
expect.
I'm, I'm so happy.
Thanks, man. I needed that because I
Yeah,
have
yeah,
not been on the lucky side on the
I know,
scalping
I
so
know,
far, you know.
I know.
Uh,
I know Palantir
But
pushing, and I mean, I was wondering if I get more chance to get to average down on Palantir, but we'll see. I mean,
it's
it's maybe the
it's
news today, so I
yeah, it's a news. It's still not safe because it's still not safe. There's an
okay,
overshot down, then it's another correction, then shot down, shot up. So it's too early to tell.
I got
Probably
you.
it's news driven. It's news driven, but the sentiment is still down.
I got
So
my hood over 80, man. Crazy.
uh, Hood and SoFi they are developing right now. If it really
I
starts
keep
to
I
push
keep I
up,
keep I keep telling you about those two stocks, right?
yeah, yeah. I know. I mean, definitely because in the harmonic